Okay, let's have a look at the answers to these puzzles. First let's tackle the easy one. White to play and mate in 1. And in this position, white doesn't have a queen anymore, but the bishop and knights have the black king completely surrounded. So one of these two bishop checks will be checkmate. But which one? The black knight defends c7, so white needs to move the bishop to e7. And the medium puzzle is white to play and mate in 3. The first thing to notice is that black has moved the f-pawn. It can be quite dangerous to move your f-pawn before you castle. Let's see if we can work out how white can take advantage. The usual way is to attack along this diagonal. Black's king would be much safer if it had castled. Black's king is almost surrounded by friendly pieces, so the only way out of check is to block with the g-pawn. Can you spot how white should carry on the attack? White has 2 pieces attacking g6, and black has only 1 defender. Can you work it out? It actually doesn't matter which piece white takes with first. And finally, the hard puzzle. Black to play and mate in 2. The white king isn't totally stuck. The queen and rook are looking quite menacing on the h-file, but the king can move to f2. Can black stop the white king moving to f2? If this knight moves, the queen will stop the white king moving to f2. There's just one problem. Then it won't be free to move down the h-file. But if we move the knight here, the knight can do the job of stopping the white king escaping to f2, leaving the black queen free to move along the h-file. But this knight move doesn't give check, so white can choose any move. Surely there is a way that white can stop black's plan. Pause the video here if you want to try to find one. You failed, didn't you? Despite all those pieces, there's no way for white to stop checkmate. But there are actually 2 possible checkmates we have to find to solve this puzzle. At the moment, black is threatening to move the queen to h2. There's only one way for white to stop this checkmate. Did you spot it? The white king can now escape to f1, but now black can play a different move.